In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to remove shirt in Jujutsu Shenanigans. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have been playing a lot of Jujutsu Shenanigans or watching gameplay videos, you might have noticed that some people are able to take their shirts off and they are able to play with the shirt off on their character. Now, how do you do this? If you try backing out of the experience and changing your Roblox avatar or character, you will notice that regardless of what you do, you will never be able to actually have your shirt off, and sometimes they will be able to do it inside of the game. This is because you actually need an emote to properly do it inside of Jujutsu Shenanigans. So if you don't know how emotes work, just click this little icon at the top left, and in here you can see the emotes that you have equipped and use them. Now you will notice that I am a newbie and I don't have any emotes, but if you do, you will be able to equip them here. The point is, you need a very specific emote to be able to take off your shirt. You need the dragon emote. As you can see, this is going to be a reference to the Yakuza games. This emote allows you to take off your shirt and beat people up like a dragon. So all that you have to do is use this emote once and your character will be shirtless. You will be able to walk around, do combos, hit other people, and everything while being shirtless. If you use this emote again, your character will put their shirt back on. So in order to get this emote, you just have to go over to the store or get kills. The main way to get emotes is going to be right over here at the shop, so you can purchase it for 250 of the in-game currency or 25 Robux. And as long as you purchase a random emote, you have a chance of getting the dragon emote. Once you do, just go over to your backpack, equip it here on one of the slots, and you will be able to use it inside of the game. Now, I deeply apologize, I won't be able to show you actually how it looks inside of the game, but regardless, I'm still gonna show you some screenshots of how it looks, and all that you have to do is equip and use the emote. I hope I was able to help you on how to remove shirt in Jujutsu Shenanigans. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching!